In fairness, pag narinig mo to is mapapasayaw ka talaga. Guys, siguro nag-hit din to sa TikTok, no? Nice! May boss naman pala si Shaira. Diba? Okay. This time naman guys ay pakinggan natin yung Trouble is a Friend na song ni Lenka. O, ito yung chorus guys. It's very similar. Oo nga. Okay. Oh, so that's it. So, yung pinaka-point, kung mabibigyan lang talaga ng pagkakataon na makagawa ng original music si Shaira, I think walang problema, right? Sa original naman na Trouble is a Friend ni Lenka, nakakahiya